Welcome to this video. In this video, we will show you how to buy a course. First, click on Edutrainia. You will then see this interface. Next, click on the course you want to purchase. After that, click on Add to Cart. Once you have clicked OK, go to the shopping cart and click on Checkout. If you want to pay via bank, click on the bank option. If you prefer to pay through simplifies or Jazz Cash, click on simplifies. I will demonstrate by adding my dummy documents. You should add your real documents. After that, click Submit. This is how you can complete your course purchase. Now, I will show you how to buy a free course. First, go to Edutrainia. Once there, click on the free course you want to buy. After clicking, click on Add to Cart. Once you have clicked OK, go to the shopping cart and click on Checkout. Finally, click Submit. This is how you can purchase a free course. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.